Hello guys, here's a quick guide on how to add your Omni card to Apple Wallet in 2025. Step 1. Check if you're eligible. Make sure your Omni card and iPhone are supported. Apple Wallet integration for Omni is rolling out in stages and should be fully available across NYC by the end of 2025. Step 2. Launch Apple Wallet. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone to begin the process. Step 3. Tap the plus button. In the top right corner of the Wallet app, tap the plus icon to add a new card. Step 4. Choose Transit or Travel Card. Select Transit Card and it should not be debit or credit card when prompted with card types. Step 5. Search for Omni. Use the search bar to type Omni. If it doesn't show up, your region may not support it yet. Try switching your iPhone's region settings to the United States. Step 6. Add card details. Scan your Omni card or manually enter the required details by following the prompts on screen. Step 7. Adjust your settings. Ensure Apple Pay is activated and location services are turned on for a smoother commuting experience. And finally, Step 8. You're ready to ride. After setup, just tap your iPhone or Apple Watch at Omni readers to pay. No physical card required. Important reminders: this method is completely legal and uses official Omni and Apple Wallet features. Avoid third-party tools or unofficial hacks. They may violate Apple and MTA policies. Keep your iPhone updated to the latest iOS version and install any new Omni app updates when available. These steps are based on current rollout plans and verified Apple Wallet support as of mid-2025. And that would be all for today's quick guide. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.